Hello, in front of me I've got the Elder Scrolls Oblivion Remastered. In this video I'll show you how to lockpick. In the beginning, go to your inventory and make sure you've got lockpicks. First lockpicks can be obtained in the dungeons from this skeleton. Next, approach chest. And in order to lockpick, press the lockpick on the lock by pushing the mouse upwards. And next, press left mouse button when the lock is at the. If you find this video helpful, please like, comment, subscribe,